Hi. Well, today I'm gonna show you how to use your phone for free without a phone service provider. Yes, I said it. Use your phone for free and never pay a bill ever again. Uh, right here we have a LG touchscreen phone, no service provider. Uh, we have a piece of chewing gum wrap. Any kind of chewing gum wrap will work. We have here 3 pieces of aluminum and we have a battery that comes out of a laptop computer. You can use basically any kind of battery, small battery like a watch battery, 5-volt battery, somewhere up in that range. Okay, let me make a call out on the phone to show you that it doesn't work. Let's see here, just making any kind of call. My last call, I guess, should work. Let's see, who do I want to call? Okay, let's just press it right here. Alright, let's see what we get here for $1.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Please hold while your call is transferred to an external operator, or you should be able to complete your call with a credit card, calling card, or via collect call. Announcement 10, switch 4,
So
9.
as you see, the phone is off, so we already know what that means. No luck with that. Okay, let's get started. Let's see here. Take this back off here. This is a nice LG phone I've used to use. It's pretty nice touchscreen LG. I'll take that back off there. Just lay you down right there. Okay. The main thing. Okay, when you start, you must. I should have shut it down before I started, but take your battery out. Take your battery out. You want to take a piece of one of your aluminum foils, square it off, whatever. Make it, so you want to be able to tuck it under the battery. A nice little piece like that. Fold it probably in half. You don't want it too far under the battery. Right up in, you want it somewhere in the transmission part. Receiving, okay. Put it somewhere like, down in there, sticking out just a little bit. Put your battery back in. You want this piece folded over because you want to square it off with your other piece that you're going to put on top. Take your little square piece here. Now, when you put it down, make sure you put it like under the other piece that's under there. Press it down. Oh, I did leave out the tape part. Yeah, we have a piece of Scotch tape. I'm sorry. Get yourself a piece of Scotch tape. You want to basically put it like down. Oh, slipping off the piece. Put it down so that keep those two touching each other. Okay. There we go. Make sure it's touching. Put your back on. Okay. Lay your back down. Here goes the tricky part. You want to take your chewing gum wrap, fold it in half. You want to take your other piece of metal, fold it into like a nice little square like that you can place in the center of your phone. Something like that right there. Then you want to take your battery, because you're going to put the battery under, right in the middle. And you fold it down. And you take your square paper and you put it on top. Take a couple pieces of your Scotch tape. Put it on the back. It doesn't have to be super tight, just enough to sort of stay on the back of the phone. we got. I'm not gonna put the cover back on yet. We just want to fire up LG. See what we got here. Like I said, you can use basically any kind of phone. I mean, any kind of phone that you have. Make sure that back is on there nice. Okay, cool. Android. Alright, let her boot up. Any minute now. I found these are nice phones though. The LGs, they're basically, it's ran by Android, so I can't complain about it. But basically, you know, I get tired of paying a bill every month, so what's that, like $1,200 a year for just your cell phone bill? Come on, man. Alright, she's booting up. We're going to try to make another call now. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Alright, let's see. Let's make a call. Come on, come on. Come on. It's still kind of booting up, so it's going kind of slow. It'll make my call for me. Come on, come on. There we go. There we go. Let's see. Yo, look. Shit, what you doing? So I was just showing people how to get, you know, about the free phone, how to get free phone access without a provider or nothing. You'll never have to pay a phone bill again. You'll never have to pay a phone bill again. You can use any phone. But yeah, let me hit you back. Right back. Alright. See? There we go. I just wanted to show you that it will work. On my next video that I got coming up is how to make you can actually play any phone, make any phone access your TV like without using a wire. You can show whatever's on your phone on your any TV. That's my next video. And you know it. Peace out.